Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. Today is the first day that the December futures contract is the front month contract. I still have a long from yesterday in the September contract. I'll see if I'm going to keep that all day. If I do and it looks like something I'm going to have for a few more days, then I'll roll it into December. For those of you that aren't familiar with that, that's just trading out a September position for a December position. You don't, it's an administrative function. You pay commissions and fees, etc. But it's just trading one for the other. So I want to get off the continuation chart here for a minute because it's not demonstrating what we have going on right now. I'm going to go to September for just a second, and then we'll talk about December. Okay, here is September, and the reason I want to highlight this is because the last 2 days we've seen moves below the middle band that have been rejected, and we have closed above middle band. We said back on, I think it was Wednesday morning, we set out very specific parameters for what the bears needed to do. They needed to push below middle band. They needed to put an entire day together and close below middle band in order to keep the momentum of these 2 red days going. They failed on Wednesday. They failed on Thursday. And we're going to get another chance today. Right now we are testing the middle band on the September contract. That comes in at 1994 and change. We're trading 95.25. What we've seen consistently during the course of this uptrend is that the bears only get so many chances to push down and convert the middle band. Typically over a period of 2 to 3 days, sometimes 4, but that's kind of an outlier. It's typically 2 to 3 days, and we are on day 4 now, right? We've engaged the middle band the last 3 days. And once the bears run out of chances, what you then see is a very trend up type of day that solidifies that we are still in our uptrend. The dip buyers have come in and done what the dip buyers have done so many times before. And then we go ahead and we take out new highs. So I'm after the performance of the bears the last couple of days, I'm definitely leaning to the upside. Why wouldn't I be? Why wouldn't you be? We've seen this movie before. Now, if the bears pull it out and we get a big push lower, then it's not the first time for anything, but I mean it's definitely a lower percentage outcome. But your trading life will be much easier in general if you expect the market to do what it's already been doing. And that's essentially what I'm doing here. Now let's talk about December because that's what everybody's going to be trading starting today. Okay, so what are we looking at here? You've got the middle band in the December contract is 1986.28. So that's the number you got to look for. We're trading 87.5 now. And the contract high is 2002.75. You're seeing the Bollinger Bands, just like on the other contract as well. They're beginning to tighten up again. And if we see some consolidation, and I would expect that consolidation to now be above the middle band. If we see some consolidation here, then we get another compression expansion event. Whether that's up or down is too early to tell. But if it's an expansion to the upside, then the current highs will be left in the dust. So let's see how today plays out. The bears have their backs against the wall, and they've really got to produce. Okay, have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. Come check us out on Twitter at Princetontrader. Come check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. It's a great room. Come check out the service. Take a free trial. We got a lot of people that have been there for a long time. A lot of people that are just starting out. And a ton of trials that you can learn right along with them. And you get access to tutorials and webinars and things like that help to slow that learning curve or speed that learning curve up rather. Okay, Take care. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well.